So it's time to move, and I have over 20 of these huge 10-gallon pots with plants in them. It's a little bit sad to be leaving this place. I put a lot of love and time into the garden here, but luckily I can take it all with me and have a garden, the same garden at my new place, thanks to these pots. So I've spent the last few days moving. It's really amazing how much crap one can acquire when having such a big space, or any space at all. I spent a lot of time cleaning everywhere that I had things, just because I really like to leave things clean. It was pretty long process of getting everything away and packed. And I think my plants was what took the longest, actually. I really love my plants, so I took great care while packing them. My house plants, I took most of them in my car, just like this, with seat belts, and just left them in the glass vases or jars that they were already in. I spent about 4 full 16-hour days packing, just taking mostly plants from one house to the other. It was crazy. So I don't consider myself a hoarder, but I like plants and dirt. And I have pre-mixed all this dirt previously with just all my classics: perlite, cocoa peat, plant food, and composting, conditioning compost. So I need to take it with me. So apart from the 20 some odd 10-gallon pots with plants in them, I'm gonna take 3 more that just have dirt in my favorite handy dandy sturdy grow bags. So I figured out how to move all of my plants. An old leather duffel bag from the thrift store works fabulously. I slide it under and it kind of wraps around, and then you can just carry it either between 2 people or with 1 person. And then I found a better idea. So after doing all that work earlier, I realized all I need is this handy dandy skateboard. And here in Hawaii, people skate a lot and they move away a lot. So it's really easy to end up with extra skateboards. So we have this fabulous new plant mover. Works fabulously. All I do is I lift them, put them on there, and then it's easy to lift them too because they're too big around, so that it hangs over the sides here. And I'm able to just lift it, obviously not my back like that, but just squat down and lift it right from there into the car, and it's pretty simple. And luckily I don't have any friends with trucks that can help me do this, so I don't have to lift it all the way up into a truck. I'm really glad I had my son there. As a single mom, I have realized that teaching your children to be helpful and self-sufficient and independent is very important. Not only so that when he goes out into the world, he'll be able to do all of these things, but also so that he can help me. We left the place pretty immaculate for having lived there for 2 years. I was really happy with our cleanup job. And after a few weeks of moving in and organizing and accommodating and fixing everything up, looks pretty good. We do have room for more plants, so probably gonna get some more. And also our little vegetable garden could use some more vegetables and herbs and whatnot. So it's pretty exciting. Nice, comfortable, new little cottage.